Welcome, everyone, to the Cylinder Confabulation. I'm Sprue Hopper.
And I'm Rod Seals.
Today, we're diving into the seals for a large, no-drift, mobile linear actuator with shock load. Quite a mouthful.
It really is. And the core mission here is kind of twofold. First, you got to get that no drift, basically trapping fluid perfectly. And second, you need to deal with shock load, those sudden pressure spikes you get.
Okay, starting on the rod side, we've got the MFP Seals D-style rod wiper, the slotted heel.
That slotted heel is key for mobile equipment. It prevents pressure getting trapped between the wiper and the main seal.
Okay, moving inwards then. The main rod seal, the RTL asymmetrical U-cup. This isn't just any U-cup, is it?
Definitely not. The RTL, it's got a twin lip design, gives it more stability. And those knife-trimmed lips provide really excellent sealing. Being asymmetrical means it's optimized for pressure from one side, but it does need some backup.
Like the C4000 composite wear rings.
Exactly. The C4000 guides the rod, stops metal-on-metal contact, prevents scoring. But the composite material is also great at absorbing some of that side-loading energy you might get during a shock event. Protects the seals.
Okay, so that brings us neatly to managing the actual shock itself. The RTL handles pressure, but maybe not those really sharp spikes.
Precisely. That's the job for the BRU compact rod buffer seal. When the operator slams the controls, that wiggling the stick scenario pressure can jump like crazy. The BRU takes the hit, smooths it out.
So it protects the primary seal from getting blown out. Okay, rod side covered. Let's talk piston side. This is where the no drift battle is really won, right?
You could say that. No drift means you absolutely cannot have fluid bypassing the piston. For that, we're using the CGT, the CAPS GT piston seal. It's a 4-piece setup. You've got a rubber expander to energize it, a T5100 filled PTFE cap.
PTFE, that's for low friction and sealing, yeah.
PTFE gives you that almost perfect seal you need to prevent drift over time, much better than just rubber alone. And then it's backed up by 2 M1001 POM anti-extrusion rings.
Because the pressure is so high, like 10,000 PSI.
At those pressures, the softer PTFE could get squeezed out. Those strong POM rings keep everything contained, ensure long life, stop extrusion. It's heavy-duty stuff.
So looking at the whole picture, it's this specific stack of components, wiper, buffer, main seal, wear rings, piston seal assembly, each doing a very specific job against either drift or shock.
Every part has to work together perfectly for these really demanding applications.
For more details on these kinds of seal profiles, different materials, and engineering support, you can check out www.mfpseals.com.
Or you can always reach out to the team directly at sales@mfpseals.com. They can help spec the right solution.